Yan. Nag-poop ikaw sa diaper mo? Why? Are you still a baby?
No, boy.
So, if you are a boy, dapat sa CR ka nagapamuson. Unsa na muson ka sa diaper mo? Maybe you are a baby. Still a baby.
No, it's first.
Boy de ikaw?
Boy!
Tawag papa mo to. Pa ako mo na muson ko. Huga, sige papa mo to, buli mo. Next time
I don't want.
Next time, you poop there in the CR. Don't poop in your diaper. Because you're a boy. Understand, Kian?
No, no.
No? If you're a baby, so you're Kian baby?
No. Boy.
Kian boy.